Well, from Noida to Bangalore, the story of the mighty versus the honest doesn't change. Another IS officer is constantly being targeted for taking on coffee planters. Instead of lauding his efforts for exposing how a vast 11 acres of land was encroached upon, the honest officer was penalized. And what is worse is now his integrity is also being questioned.
A day after, Times Now reported the plight of this former IS officer, targeted for bringing to light massive encroachments of government land in Karnataka. The government continues to stay quiet on the issue, despite the seriousness of the charges being levelled. The retired IS officer facing the brunt for taking on the powerful. The man in the eye of the storm hitting back, questioning the integrity of the officer.
Unnecessarily coming before the media and telling that the then MP Sadananda Gowda, he came with the delegation and pressurized the Chief Minister and he advocated on behalf of the land grabbers. Is it fair on the part of an IAS officer? Is it fair on the part of IAS officer?
The former Chief Minister accused of leading a delegation of coffee planters to then CM's office in order to pressurize the honest officer.
So I said I will myself go to Chikmagalur, inspect some of these things and inquire and find out what happens. So at that time I was asked by the CM's office not to go to Chikmagalur. If I go there, there will be a law and order situation.
The privilege motion against the former IS officer facing flack from all corners, with pressure building on the government to revoke it.
It is very, very important for public opinion to be focused on such misuse. And a strong reaction, the media only reports what has happened, but it is up to the general public, it's up to the citizens to come forward and to point out to the elected representatives that such misuse of power will not be tolerated.
Durga Shakti in Uttar Pradesh, Bala Subramaniam in Karnataka. Honest officers facing the wrath of the administration. A common sight across India. Bureau Report, Times Now.